Hello, welcome to the weather update. Just a really crappy, murky, warm, disgusting day. Although some people who are so-called meteorologists at Channel 12, South Shore 12, think it was a great day, even though it wasn't. Cloudy, bad air quality, and just clouds pretty much throughout most of the day there. Not really a whole lot of sun. And we do have the sky's kind of cleared out tonight, but we have a cold front approaching that we got to talk about because there's a special marine warning out with this cold front. There was actually some thunderstorms, it looks like, upstate. I see some lightning strikes up in parts of northwestern Connecticut into southwestern Massachusetts, into the Hudson Valley, and northeastern Pennsylvania. Actually, there was some thunder and lightning with this line that we have. So let's get to the radar right now, and this is the line right here that we're talking about. This line is approaching our area, and you can see there's some heavy rain with this. Could be some strong gusty winds approaching. Looks like now it is moving into Connecticut. Just moved again, updated itself. So it looks like it's in south. Looks like it's in, I would say, just extreme western Connecticut, going up into the northwestern part of Connecticut, and then down southwestward. This line is moving toward Westchester County, and like I said, there's some showers, and these are some showers and thunderstorms here. So let's look at how this moved across the screen here. Get an idea. Yeah, there's actually a squall line. Here we are in November. We'll move this back again. Move this back a little more, if it would let me. You know, it's as much as it goes back. But you can see it looks like some pretty strong storms there. Again, we are now in December. If I said November, I meant December. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. It's a horrible day today. There's the special marine warning issued. Special marine warning from Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet out to 20 nautical miles central Long Island Sound, New York Harbor until 10 p.m. At 8:54 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extended from 30 nautical miles northwest of Upper New York Harbor to 39 nautical miles north of New Haven Harbor. Wind gusts to 34 knots or greater, and small hail likely with this line. I know. We are in December, and here we are talking about, well, look at the temperature. Look at the temperature in Central Park right now, as of a little after 9 o'clock, 57 degrees, which is ridiculous for this time of the year. Absolutely, utterly ridiculous. I don't know if any records were broken today for the temperatures, but we're going to look at the climate right now. The local past weather reports for today and see. I don't think any records were broken, but we'll look at Central Park, where they got up to 58 degrees, normal high 48. So 10 degrees above normal at Central Park for the high, which is, again, ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous for this time of the year. Nearly 10 degrees above normal today. We can look at ice slip as well. On the climatological report. Go back to this. Go to islip, and we were at 58 at islip. It was also 10 degrees above normal as well. So, wow. So islip and Central Park at the same high temperature. Wow, that is not much of a sea breeze today, I guess. That's why. I mean, if you're on the South Shore, you get a sea breeze, but you got to be right on the South Shore. That's for sure. Excuse me. But again, the air quality is terrible today. Allergies acting up. Again, shouldn't have to deal with that in December. But you can see we got west winds now. And you can see the northwest winds behind the cold front where temperatures are colder. You got some upper 40s up around Newburgh. But for us, we're still in the mid-50s. Still. For this time of the day, we should be around 40 degrees. So we're 15. Technically, this time, we're actually 15 degrees above normal. Which is insane and ridiculous. It's not humid out there, but you can see, look at these temperatures dealing with mid-50s. Dew point's not that high. We have dew points in the 40s, mid-40s. Imagine if this was a humid air mass, how much worse those storms would be. But still, it's a strong cold front moving through. Let's go to our, I'm not even going to look at the lows. We'll just go to the highs. wasn't much of any radiational cooling last night. I'm even going to look at that. So 57 at Islip, 58 at West Hampton. Not much of a sea breeze unless you were right on the South Shore, and it really didn't kick in until like later in the afternoon, early evening. But it was limited to the extreme South Shore for the most part. Look at New Jersey, 63 in Elizabeth. Let's see. Oh boy, it got very warm in Toms River. Let's take a look at this. Oh, I almost thought I saw 67. All right, no, 63, 60 at Lakehurst, 64. So you had some in Coyle Field got up to 64. It's still 57 there right now, which is in the middle of the Pine Barrens. So yeah, very warm day all over, way above normal. And this cold front will bring us a little bit below normal, but we won't be 10 degrees below normal. No, we will not be 10 degrees below normal. Sorry. We pull out a little bit. You can see the cooler temperatures in the mountains where the cold front was coming in. But other than that, like I said, we're just dealing with this ridiculous warmth. And if we can visualize this on the Venture sky, which I'll do next, you'll see this just ridiculous warmth that's stretching across pretty much the whole country here. The cold air is kind of just bottled up now if you were in Canada, man, you had some really cold weather, but it's all bottled up there. Cold air is not coming down here. You can see, look at all this cold air. I mean, if you were in Fairbanks, Alaska, you're going to have a high of negative 27 tomorrow with sunshine. But again, it's all just trapped. The cold air is just trapped in it's not coming down. It's just the jet stream is zonal. It's not allowing it to come down. So that's the problem. So let's go and pay attention back to this line here of showers and thunderstorms here. We're going to look at this on this radar as well. And you can see there's your special marine warning. Again, it is December the 2nd, and we are talking about a line of strong to severe thunderstorms approaching our area. And now the models really didn't pick up on this that much. They indicate like a line of showers, but you can see these are actually thunderstorms. See the yellow there. And that special marine warning, who knows, we may even see a severe thunderstorm warning out of this. Absolutely crazy. So it's all with this low that's going to our north. Moves out tomorrow. We have a northwest flow for tomorrow. And tomorrow's going to be our best bet for a decent air mass and clear skies because we're going to have some clouds around Saturday. Another high tries to build in Sunday. And then after that, we get into a really junky week with southwest flow. There's a brief high pressure moves in, and then another storm system. You're going to have 1-2 shots of rain here. One shot of rain on Wednesday, and then, another one on Thursday, which is ridiculous. And then, look, another one. And then that ridge from hell sets up. Where's winter? Winter decided to tease us and then go away once again. If you want winter, you got to go to Canada or Alaska, because we can't seem to get it here. So let's take a look. I know it hasn't even, just in the early December, but this weather today was absolutely ridiculous. So let's look at the HRRR starting off, and you'll see if it shows up this line or not. Yeah, the line doesn't really show up. You kind of just, it's the models are underestimating the strength of the warmth. Once again, what else is new? So you can see the northwest flow tomorrow. Tight isobars, high moves offshore Saturday. There may be some light precipitation, or Saturday morning, very light mixed precipitation, and then probably clouds, a mix of high clouds and sun for the remainder of the day. Let's go to our temperatures here on the HRRR. So I'll show you this. Cooling, things will cool down. So after the ridiculous warmth, once this line of showers and thunderstorms moves through, temperatures will drop into the 40s and then 30s by morning. Feeling more like it's supposed to. And for tomorrow, we'll probably have highs in the low to mid 40s. So a little bit below normal, but not as below normal as we were above normal today. And then tomorrow night, I'll have to see how many clouds move in. I think tomorrow night we should get some good radiational cooling. So hopefully lows will be in the upper 20s. Pine Barrens may be colder than that. And then for Saturday, you could see a little bit of warm air trying to get into the area, and that's what's going to bring the clouds because we have a low riding along a front that is stalled to the south of us. And you can look at how warm it is down in Virginia. My gosh, ridiculous. And then once we go past that into Sunday, you will see temperatures will drop again a little bit behind that clipper. Temperatures will drop probably. We'll probably be in the mid 40s. Maybe staying the same, but I mean it won't. That front will keep it from getting ridiculously warm because look what happens Monday. We're going up into the 60s Monday, and with humidity too. And then there'll be another cold area up front on Tuesday, and then I don't really want to get too much into next week on this weather update. So let's go look at the RGM, and we'll go ahead and look at the skies. So here are the skies. Here's the skies today. Obviously, plenty of clouds. This front comes through, and question is, will we clear it out tomorrow, or will we be dealing with more of the stratocumulus pop-ups? That is the question. It even shows looks like a little cirrus here too. So I don't know if we're gonna have such a clear day tomorrow or not. And then you could see there'll be some cirrus bleeding into southern New Jersey in the afternoon, perhaps. But tomorrow's your best bet of it because once you get to Saturday, there's going to be a good amount of clouds around. And then Sunday, we're going to probably be dealing with plenty of high clouds around. So, yeah, this is not the kind of pattern that it's easy to get a clear day in. Unfortunately, it is not the kind of pattern for that. We can look at the NAM as well. Go to the 18Z NAM and see how it handles for tomorrow. And you can see, again, it has some clouds popping up. And again, some clouds can often turn into a lot of clouds. And then Saturday, there'll be plenty of clouds over us. And Sunday, maybe we can get some sunshine back in here again. But it's been pretty gloomy. There hasn't been a whole lot of sun. And I know it's been kind of depressing, to say the least. Let me go back to the Vent2 Sky model. We can look and see. This uses the HRRR. Let's see how it handles tomorrow as far as the clouds go. This is 8 in the morning. You can see already you got some of that lake effect stuff. 10. Yep, it's spreading over us at 10. Here we are at noon. Yep, plenty of, look at that, 100% cloud coverage over Long Island. So my hopes aren't too high for tomorrow being a clear day. Maybe by the afternoon, the conditions will improve enough that we can have some clearing. But it's not looking all that great for tomorrow being a clear day, at least the whole day. It looks like most likely you'll see more sunshine in the afternoon. But yeah, I know we're sunshine deprived here, which is ridiculous. Meanwhile, if we go look at Fairbanks, pull this out over here. Fairbanks is somewhere over here. They're gonna have a nice clear day tomorrow. 27 below. Look at how cold it is. That's where you want to be. That's where you want to be in that Arctic air. But where the Arctic air is just trapped in the north. It's not coming down. There's plenty of it there. You can see that, but it's just not coming down because the jet stream is zonal. You can clearly see the jet stream here. I can trace it out for you. Where's my paint extension? Oh, there it is. There's your jet stream right here. Trace it out. There it is. Very shallow trough in the east. So it's this really crappy zonal jet stream once again. So, yep, that's going to be it for this weather update. We'll talk a little more about the long range again. Let's look at that radar because we got this immediate threat of thunderstorms. Thunderstorms. Showers and severe thunderstorms with a special marine warning in effect until 10 p.m. So, we'll be tracking this line. So far, we can go and look at the power outage chart and see if it's caused any problems. See if it has. I don't know. There are about 9,366 people without power, so it looks like there has actually caused some damage upstate. Ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. Well, let's see if Albany has anything as far as storm reports go. I don't know if there have been any storm reports here. I don't see anything here. But they have special weather statements with this line, and again, just ridiculous to see this kind of thing going on. We're not supposed to see thunderstorms and severe weather in December. It's absolutely ridiculous. But everybody's so focused on the pandemic. Meanwhile, climate chaos continues. Thanks for watching.